Today we are applying P&S Inspiration Glass Coating, but whether you're applying this product or another, the preparation for the coating will still apply. Most people skip the first step, which is cleaning your wiper blades. They get full of dirt and contaminants and virtually never get cleaned, and you do not want that on your fresh coating. So go ahead and grab whatever you have to clean it. Grease or car soap will work well, and then do a second wipe with isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Next, let's hit this dirty windshield. I'm going to be using car soap just to clean the majority off the surface. Frankly, there's different steps for different situations, so I'll cover a few ways to help decontaminate the glass after this initial wipe down. The first trick is ultra fine steel wool. Keep in mind that's the grade with 4 zeros. This won't scratch the outside glass and it will remove anything stuck on the surface. Another option is a clay bar. Just like your paint, glass has pores, meaning there can be little pockets where contaminants get stuck, and the clay bars are really great for pulling that out. But frankly, it's my own vehicle and I'm confident that the steel wool did the job, so I'm going to skip that step and move to the manufacturer's suggested prep, which what you saw there was the P&S Clarity Cream. We're going to go ahead and polish with that, and if you like your vehicle, I would tape the rubber molding to avoid getting polish on it, which can permanently stain the rubber. Again, as you can see, this is my vehicle, so I'm going to skip that step. And if you do not have a nifty polisher like that Flex PXC80 and you still want to polish, you can grab yourself a nice polishing applicator or just even a soft microfiber. It's not ideal, but better than nothing. And the final step right before you apply there, as you see, is an IPA wipe, which is isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. And if you decide to get lazy and skip all of the other steps, I would say at the very least do an alcohol wipe after cleaning it with glass cleaner or soap, and it'll give you the best odds for a proper bond. I want to point out it's not ideal to apply outside and definitely not in direct sunlight, and let it cure for as long as possible before you use your wipers. I typically avoid using mine for the whole first day if possible. Even after applying outside in 0 degrees Celsius, you can see that it did do a good job at bonding here once you see the water test. So basically, as long as you're doing it properly, there is a little bit of wiggle room on this product. I find it's a lot more durable than the others. Go ahead and subscribe for daily detailing content, and if you haven't seen our short review on this product yet, click the video above to check it out.